What's good, YouTube family? Got a banger trade recap coming for y'all boys, man. This trade was definitely one of my favorite trades that I've took. Perfect delivery. Like, everything about this trade was just perfect. All I want to say, man, is to shout out CPI. Best news event that we can have, to be honest. Like, I feel like that's the one data week that consistently works. But, y'all know the drill, man. Discord link down below. Please tap in. Please join up. We're going to probably be live a lot more. Catching plays, catching bangers. And if you want to catch more trades like this with me, join that link. Join the Discord. But let's get into the video and let's get into this recap. So first and foremost, the liquidity that this trade came off of is CPI data wick, as you can see right here, right at about 829. Like, just crazy pump. This is our data wick that we're going to be sitting on, waiting for it to get swept. I waited all day basically for it to get swept. Really was just waiting, had my alert set and just sitting on it. And then once I saw we were coming close, I got on top step and I'm like, okay, we're about to sweep. And yeah, as you can see, like, the whole day was kind of choppy until we swept this level. Like, once we swept this level, you can't really see it on the replay. But if you were watching this play live, it kind of like, the volume picked up drastically. Like, it literally was a lot of volume out of nowhere. So I'm like, okay, that's a great sign. But let's see what happens when we sweep right here. This choppy as hell, as you can see. Hold on. Let's just make this go quicker. Alright. This should be the sweep right here. Oh. Boom. Alright, so this is our inverse. Entered on a sell immediately once we inversed. I see that. And then this is our inverse fair value gap right here. Not the biggest gap, but it's still a gap, and I like it. I'm taking that. Like, I mean, the size really doesn't matter. Unless it's like this is a very small gap, but it's still a pretty good one. Like, it's still a fair value gap at the end of the day. And also on the 30-second, we also had a bigger gap on the 30-second, and that inversed immediately too. But if you see an instant V shape like this, you gotta insert every time, especially off a level like the CPI data wick. Like, that's very prominent. But for this trade, I inserted about right here. And I was targeting around like a 10 a.m. low, like about 10:10 to 10 a.m. for 100 points. Because if you don't know, for all of my trades, I target 100 points, 25 point stop out. Because that's a great risk to reward for me. But this trade really was just like a 20 point stop out because the recent high is right here. And there's no reason for me to hold past this high because if it comes up here, there's no way this trade is working out. Like, there's no way in hell this trade will work out. So I just had the high. I had a recent high. Like, this is a perfect stop out when you're trading my strategy. So that's exactly why I entered two. Like, that's probably one of the best stop outs we've had. And then I'm just holding for two bands. Same old, same old. I do the same for every trade. Because two of my accounts are 40% consistency rule, if you know about the top step rules. And then the other three are the 5 days. But I still want to have some consistency in my trading where I want to lose 500 or I either want to make 2 racks. That's a great 1 to 4, and I like that. But yeah, so this was where I entered at. And another confluence that I loved also was that we had a huge bearish SMT. ES did not sweep out this level, and they were nowhere close to sweeping it out. I wish I could show you it, so if you don't understand SMTs and you're watching this, but I can't show you it with the replay trading. So just know ES did not sweep this out, so we had a fat SMT. But let's just see how this trade played out. This was a great trade. Literally didn't touch a drawdown once. Like, no other strategy is doing this. Let's just see how it played out. Like, just look at the follow through. This is perfect. We haven't had any direction all day, and then we sweep this and get instant direction. Like, this is perfect. It's definitely one of my best trades that I've took in a long time. And if y'all seen the February 6th recap, this is literally the exact same trade as February 6th. Boom. The smack for 2K. It ran about like 150 points off rip. Then it kind of just shot for the rest of the day. But another thing about this trade that I really liked was, bro, is you don't know, we gapped down huge in the market and we pumped back up now. But overnight, bro, this trade would have been up like 500 points. This was like a 500 point top tick, which is insane. And this is the second time that this has happened with the model, because I think there was a trade Tuesday or Wednesday. One of those 2 days. I can't remember. I missed the trade because I was fucking asleep like a dummy. But that trade ran about 1,200 points, and then this one was about 500 after everything was said and done. So the model has been going crazy. Like it's honestly looking to the point that we're locked in with institutions because we're on the top and the bottom of very big news and very big gaps in the market. But yeah, this was the trade. Beautiful trade. Like you literally can't ask for more. And let me show y'all the gap down that I was talking about. And this is the gap down that I was talking about. We pumped back up today on some weird shit. I don't even know what's going on. But this shit really was like a 500-point trade. For real, for real. But this happened overnight, and then we kind of just pumped back up during the day. So I couldn't really get no profits from it. I already secured my money. And then if you're watching this and you're like, bro, this guy's fucking lying. He didn't make 10K in 30 minutes. He's not that guy. Boom, bitch. Here's the money. I'm trolling. I'm trolling for real. But 5 accounts. So I'm just trading on right now. Once I get this payout, I'm going to get more accounts. But right now, I just want to keep it at 5. Just keep it calm and just go ahead and secure my first payout. But yeah, this was the trade right here. 29 minutes. Beautiful entry. Beautiful exit. What more can you ask for? That's a quick trade. Quick 2K. And my accounts right now are currently at 3,300 for 2. And then 1,781 for the other 3. And soon, if I get 2 more wins, I could be taking a 6K payout on 2. And then I would need 2 more trades. Wait, no, I would need... Actually, no, I would need 1 more trade to take out 10K. And then one more trade actually to take out 15K. So 20K could be on the way soon if I just stay disciplined, keep doing what I'm doing. And I'm not even showing you none of this P&L, none of this shit to even flex, bro. I just want to show y'all, like, bro, it's possible. If you start becoming your best you know, stay disciplined, control yourself in the charts, and put some time in on the back testing to fully understand what you're doing. Like, you might think that you know what you're doing, but fully understand what you're doing. Because if you can see, I'm managing these accounts really well because I've been over this on back testing. What I like to do on back testing that really helped me with my trading is pretending like I have a funded account. And all I would do is just trade like it's my funded account for a certain amount of time and see if I can make enough to get a payout. And that really has helped me with this because it's just like, it's just regular. I just do what I do. I show up every day. And this is really just my job. And there really wasn't a lot of trades in March. One minus 240 on the ES trade. But then we snapped back with 2 racks. And then in February, he made 1,500. So you really only need 1 trade per month. For real, for real. But I'm hoping to get about 2 more trades if I'm lucky. Honestly, I'll be grateful with 1. But I really do smell a 4 to 6K month on the way. And I'm going to make that possible. But yeah, boys, not showing this to flex or anything. Just want to show y'all boys that it's possible. But yeah, I'm going to catch y'all boys in the next one. Y'all know what to do. Link down below. I'm going to be showing my whole journey of getting this first payout. You're all going to see it live. Nobody else is doing that. Like, nobody else is showing their whole fucking journey of when they get their accounts, bro. A lot of these niggas be lying to you. There's only one person that I know that does that shit. He's my best friend. So, of course, he's going to do it. But yeah, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one, man. And all y'all boys, keep on trading, keep on getting better. I'm going to catch y'all.